Hi to everyone, I'm Delora. Today is Saturday and we're gonna dance with you to learn new oriental tutorial. Let's go! Today we discovered a new movement with you and it will be small combination of chest movement and hips movement. We will combine round with the chest with the round with the hips. Okay? So here we start. The first movement is our round with the chest. What we do? Pelvis in, chest up, shoulders back and down, and smile. We go with the chest. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. We combine it in a round and it's like we are drawing circle in front of you. Let's go. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. And round, 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 round. Try to do it a little bit faster. Round, 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 round. We will not do like this in combination, but for you to develop the style and the movement. Great. Next movement is round with the hips. What we do? So it's right hip up, in front. We take belly in and we push our hips in front. In. We go with the left hip. Up. Now back and up, and when we make up, we take pelvis. We work on the back muscles. Let's go. Right, in front, left, back. Right, in front, left, back. Right, in front, left, back. Combine. Round, round. Only, 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 only. We fix our chest and only hips are moving. Great, and now we combine these two movements together. Let's go. Round with the chest to the left, round with the hips to the left. Chest, hips, round, 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 round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. I wish it was clear for you. I wish it was useful. And see you next